name's Jenkins and I'm going to teach you how to make quilled beads. You will need a ruler, some scissors, pencil and something to roll round. I'm using a skewer made of wood. You'll also need some paper. You can use plain paper or you can use really nice patterned paper, and it's a good idea when you're making beads to experiment with all different kinds of patterned paper because it's quite interesting to see how they come out, and it's often unexpected which ones work and which ones don't work so well. But I'm going to show you first of all to make a normal straight bead just on some normal pink paper. So the kind of bead we're going to make actually lends itself well to patterned paper. It's this one here. There's no tapering at all. It's a bit like a barrel. Really, really simple. Oh, you need some PVA glue. One sec. Okay. So the thing that I found out about beads is that you have to make sure that your measurements are accurate, because if you don't, they don't look even. And I'm not the one for doing things accurately usually, but unfortunately this is the way it's got to be. So I'm going to measure 2 centimetres at the top, 2 centimetres at the bottom. But it doesn't have to be 2 centimetres, it could have been any length. Draw a line straight down and cut it out. You could have just used quilling paper if you wanted, some wide quilling paper. But I decided to cut my own. Okay, so we've now got a strip, and I'm going to roll it around this skewer, and I'm going to put a dab of glue. Excuse the fingers, you should probably use a cocktail stick or something, ignore that. I'm going to put a dab of glue where it's starting because we don't want it to move. And get it rolling. You're going to roll it tight, like a tight coil, but what we're aiming for is a hole in the middle, because we want to make sure that something can be threaded through the bead. So, nice and tight. And then when you like, you can actually take this out. If you prefer to just roll it up the rest of the way in your fingers. Oops. Keep going tightly and stick the end down. And there you have it, easy. We didn't have to roll up the full length either. We could have just rolled it part of the way, or we could add another strip on and keep going if we wanted to. So that is a very basic bead. There's a hole in the middle. There you have it.